Hello, young learners. Today we have a list of 10 exciting things starting with the letter O. Perfect for children aged 5 and under. Are you ready? Let's get started. Number 1, an owl. Owls are night creatures. They have very big eyes so they can see in the dark. You might hear them in a forest going twit-a-woo. Number 2, oceans. Oceans cover 70% of our whole planet. And most of all of the animals on our planet live in the oceans. They're incredible. Number 3, an octopus. An octopus is one such animal that lives in the ocean. It has 8 legs filled with little suckers that make it attach to things like rocks. And they can change their colour very quickly too. Number 4, orange. An orange is not only a colour, it is also a fruit such as that. They grow, surprisingly enough, on an orange tree. And when you cut one in half, you can squeeze out what is called orange juice. They're very good for you. I'd recommend a glass. Number 5, an oval. An oval is a shape. So you would describe an egg as being oval shaped. It's not round, it's not square, it's oval. Number 6, an otter. Otters can be found in many countries around the world. And they have some of the thickest fur of all animals. They even go to sleep holding hands. And number 7, opposite. Opposite is very interesting because you might have the opposite of day is night. The opposite of white is black. The opposite of on is off. So opposite is the exact difference to something. Number 8, outer space. So our Earth goes around the sun, and that is the solar system. And our solar system is in the galaxy, which is one of hundreds of millions of planets. And our galaxy is one of hundreds of millions of galaxies. So our outer space is full of stars and planets. Number 9, overalls. Overalls are something that people wear. It's a very comfortable piece of clothing. But it's something that you wear if you're going to do a messy job. So it might keep you dry. It's a good way to protect your clothes. Finally, number 10, you very well may be sat here wearing a onesie. A onesie is a single piece of clothing that covers you from head to toe. They're very comfy. Thanks for watching. See you again.